Okay, so now we have another one. And as you can see, it just hit real quick. So we've already taken 2 contracts out, so we're up, I don't remember how much the last one was, but we're up whatever amount this is. And then if we come down, get to about right here, the break even will come in. There's a chance this may come up and stop us out. At any time you don't feel comfortable, you can always just close it out. You could have brought your break even down off of this one. And looking back on the other ones, let's see what it did. So we take profit here, so that would have been a good chance to bring a break even and been fine. This one would have stopped you out right here, but you wouldn't have lost any money, where there's a potential this will come right up. And then this one, if we took profit here, that one kept on going. So good possibility is that we add a break even. There it is. And we just come down, we're break even now. We took our 3 contracts out. Now we're up over $4,200. And it's working great. Working great. We like making money. We like to make money. So this is, the bots have proven itself pretty good. I like it. I like it a lot. Post this in the lobby. And in the lobby we're sitting here talking about, the Stealer and Ranger are my best bots. That's what I think anyway at this time. Stealer's doing a very good job. We are 5 trades for 5 for 5 right now. So we haven't had any losers. Again, you could go ahead and close this out right here, or you can just grab your stop and bring it down. We are not going to touch it. I'm just going to let it go. Live count, trading. You can run this on a funded account or run it on just a regular live account. You can run them on Sim, whatever you want to do with it. This will work anywhere. Works on any instrument. These settings are for NQ. That's what we're running on. You can see right down here, NQ. I don't give away my settings that I use. I do on the SpyBot users. The SpyBot users get all the settings. That's what it should be. I want them to make money. So if you're a user, I want you to make a lot of money using my products. The more money you make, the happier I am, and also the more referrals I get. So therefore, I make more. Stealer bot, a brand new bot. We've been using it for probably 2 weeks in beta, and getting through all the settings, making sure everything's working good, and everything is. It's working real good. Beta tested it quite a bit. Wait till this one right here goes through. That's going to put us over $4,500 right now since 10 this morning. So that's like an hour and 40 minutes. About $5,000, depending on where we close out here. It'll be in the 4s or the 5s. Right now we're 42.1748, and unrealized of around $300. That's about 4,500 or so. So this one's doing real well. Again, you can close this anytime you want. I think that if you're in profit, and as long as you're within this range right here, let it be. I mean, we could have closed this out up here, but we have stayed in this range right here, and now we are out of that range. So we just broke through that range, so there's no reason to take profit now. If you wanted, once it starts dropping, you can bring this stop down to right there at the bottom, and that way it protects this profit, but I'm going to let it run. So now we are $4,700 profit since 10 o'clock this morning. I love this bot. It does a very good job with these settings. Not to say that these settings can't be adjusted, because I'm sure that they could. So far, it looks like we might be able to bring our stop down lower, just in case we do have a bad trade. Have to go back and look at it, but I think we can get by with a smaller stop on it. That way, if we do have a bad trade, it won't hurt as bad. But once we hit that first target, another thing, I mean, if we would have taken a break even right off this first target, we would have missed all of this. So I'm probably going to keep my break even the way I have it. Once we get through that first one and we come on down, we want to push a little more, and then the break even come down. At that point, we're probably going to go ahead and be dropping. There we go. Now we're going. Now we're going. Look at that runner go. That's why we have runners. A runner isn't. It's a lottery. Once it comes down break even, if we get stopped out at break even, we just don't make money on the runner. But if it gets to where it's going to drop like this, then the runner engages, and we make a lot more money. So from the if we didn't have the runner engaged, the very bottom here is 1125 that we could have made. And to go from, say we took both profits off of this bottom one, that's another $875 from this bottom, which is this one right here, right there. So and our stop just keeps on moving. We're using the SPY Money super trend. This is not a regular super trend. There we go. So now we're in profit here. So the runner itself made an extra $640, but it actually came off of that. So we're going to run that, and I'm going to show this to our Discord channel. We're about $5,100 into it. So $5,100, and honestly, you could call that a day. It's not going to take any longs for a good while, but if it goes to selling off again, it'll take another short. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have any questions, let me know. You can reach me on my website. I show this every time. I won't go into all the details this time, but right here is my website. When you go up here to SpyBot Auto Trading Bot, scroll down to the bottom. There's a lot of videos on here, and right there you click on that, and you go ahead and add it to your cart. Your lease will start, and it's for 30 days. It's depends on the day you buy it or lease it. And if you want to talk to me about this first, put in your name, email, phone number, and that what you want to talk about, what time is best to talk to you, and if I can, I'll call you then. I talk to a lot of people every day. And but if you just got a general question, just send it. I'll answer it back email, whatever you need. And then funded accounts, yes, it does work on funded accounts. Here's 3 that we recommend. Here's a graph showing some differences between the 3. Pick the one you want. All 3 good companies. If you're going to use a funded account long term, Apex is your better one because it's cheaper commissions they charge. That's the 90-10, and these 2 are 80-20. Long term commitment, Apex is your better bet. And if you're going to be short term, just to go in and make your money, either of these 2 right here do a really good job. You can read down here what works best for you. But let me know how I can help, and we'll go from there. Have a great day, guys.